Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase creatine in body, updated. Start by adding creatine-rich foods and consider supplementation with a proven creatine monohydrate product. Aim for regular daily intake and spread doses around workouts or meals for steady muscle uptake. Stay hydrated, pair with resistance training, and monitor how your body responds to adjust timing and amount for sustained results. Introduce creatine-rich foods like beef, pork, and certain fish into meals and enjoy the natural boost they provide. If you eat little or no meat, plan on supplementing to reach targeted creatine stores. Combine food choices with strength training and consistent meal timing to help muscles absorb creatine more effectively and support workout performance and recovery. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos for you. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep simple when packing creatine-rich meals and snacks for the week, and they save time on busy training days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a high-quality creatine monohydrate supplement and decide between a loading phase or steady maintenance dosing based on your goals. Take 3 to 5 grams daily if you prefer simplicity, or start with higher loading doses for quicker saturation. Mix creatine into a carbohydrate-containing beverage or eat it with a mixed meal when convenient to potentially improve muscle uptake and practical adherence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.